Big news from OpenAI. The powerful deep research tool that was once locked behind a paywall is now available to free users. Yes, you heard that right. For the first time ever, you can get in-depth internet-powered research help from ChatGPT without paying a dime. But there's more. There's a new lightweight version, expanded query limits, and a new model powering it all. Let's break it down. OpenAI officially announced a lightweight version of its deep research tools rolling out. And the best part, it's now accessible to free ChatGPT users. Now, if you're wondering what this deep research feature is, it's like having a 24/7 AI research assistant that can scan the internet in real time, summarize findings, fact check, and even think through problems using reasoning models. Until now, this was only available to premium users, but with this update, even free tier users can get up to 5 deep research queries per day. This tool uses OpenAI's new O4 mini model, which isn't quite as powerful as the full GPT-4 Turbo engine, but still gets the job done with surprisingly strong depth and accuracy for most use cases. Let's break down the new query limits. Free users get 5 deep research queries per day. Pro users plus get a huge bump to 50 queries per day. Team, enterprise, and educational users start with 25 queries per day, with rollout for educational users happening next week. Even when you hit your limit, OpenAI says you'll still get lightweight responses that keep the depth and quality you'd expect, just more concise. And if you were wondering, the tool works across devices. So whether you're on desktop or mobile, it's like carrying a mini research assistant in your pocket. This shift comes at a time when the AI world is heating up. We've seen similar tools emerging from Google's Gemini, Elon Musk's Grok, and Microsoft's Copilot, but OpenAI just took the lead in terms of accessibility. These tools use what's called reasoning AI. They don't just search the web, they think through your questions, check their own facts, and respond with insight. So whether you're a student, a researcher, entrepreneur, or just curious, this is huge. And let's be real, even 5 queries a day for free is more than enough for most casual users to dive deep into topics like climate science, history, health, coding, or any research-heavy field. How to use it? Using it is simple. Head to chat.openai.com. Ask a research question like, compare the economic policies of the US and EU post-2020. If you're within your daily quota, ChatGPT will perform real-time web searches, synthesize data, and give you an informed, sourced answer. If you're out of queries, it'll still generate a lighter version of the response, so you're never left hanging. OpenAI just made powerful research tools available to everyone, and that's a game changer for how we learn, work, and explore the world. If you're excited about this new era of accessible AI, hit that like button, subscribe for future updates, and drop a comment below.